my name is Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. His name is Cinnamon. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Want to know how to get this look with 5 steps in 5 minutes without any highlighter? You want to get this glow? Keep watching. Alright, today I'm going to be doing a quick, easy, on-the-go look, so it only has 5 steps. Alright, so this 5-step look consists of primer, foundation, mascara, eyeshadow, and lipstick. As always, grab your pinkity drinkity. This is about to be a long video. Alright, so the first step is I'm going to use my Cool as a Cucumber primer by Ofra Cosmetics. Okay, now I'm going to squirt the primer on there. Okay, so we got that. Now I'm going to put my primer on, so like I always do, I do 4 dots all over my face. Alright, so the next step is the foundation. So this is one of my favorite foundations for when I don't want to do highlight and contour, because this just gives you a natural glow. So this is the Becca Illuminating Foundation, and it's a dropper. I'm in the shade Fair, so you just dip it in and press this down, and it like fills it up, kind of like a medicine dropper, like when you're a kid. And then you just kind of put it all over your face. Now I'm going to take my Morphe Y6 brush. You can get any kind of thick brush like this and just rub it in. Alright, and then for the next step is the eyes. I'm going to go in with the Huda Nude palette. This is what it is. Alright, now for the eyes I'm going to go in with the Morphe R39 brush. I don't know why I said 3. So it's just a fluffy brush. I'm going to go with like a light pink color, and I'm going to just blend this into the crease of my eye. Okay, now that I got the base on, I'm just going to go in with like a light brown, and this palette is called Teddy. And my grandma told me I need to explain why I blow on the brush when I put any kind of the shadows on or powder. So this one's for you, Grandpa. I do that because sometimes you get too much on the brush when you dip it, and so it just helps, like, so you don't just get a big clump of powder on your eye, whether you're using eyeshadow or like facial powder. Okay, so I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna kind of smoke the edge of my eye out and just blend it into the crease. Okay, so now that I went in with brown in my crease to kind of add a little depth to it, I'm going to go in with a glitter. So I'm going to go in with, which glitter do I want? Let's do like a light pink glitter, just to add a little bit of spunk to it. Okay, so now for our 4th step, we're almost to the end. I'm going to use my favorite mascara, They're Real by Benefit. This gets every single lash, and just kind of, since we're going for more of like a natural everyday look right now, it just kind of makes you, step up your game. Alright, last step, I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star lip stain. It's called Thick as Thieves. This is one of my favorite kind of nudes. But it lasts all day because it is a lip stain, so I suggest if you're going for a look that you want to last all day, do a lip stain, because it stains your lips and you can eat through it and everything. Alright, now my look is completely done. I hope you like my 5-step makeup look, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what video you would like me to do next. Wait, let me see what this is called before. Stupid. 5 minutes, and I suggest you keep rolling with me. I want to know how to get this look in 5 minutes.